Hello, I am bringing you Smooth Waves by Rene of Paris in the color Dark Chocolate. This is one of their new pieces that has come out recently. See if I can get the net off. Yes, there we go. And all the floofy bits. Alright, so there's her color. Pretty nice deep brown. Alright, she is a center monofilament lace part, which goes into the extended ear tab area, which is felt, open wefted, extended felt nape with velcro adjusters on the nape. Okey-dokey. Grab the ear tabs to adjust, and then here she is. If you want to adjust the bangs, you can. Here's the lace front. Pretty nice for such a deep color, really. And you can part this in any space you like. Well, no, sorry, part it in the middle up to here, about here on either side. So that's actually very generous for the price point of this piece. It's very generous parting space for sure. Right. This is very reminiscent of Holly by John Rene. So if you don't want to pay the big bucks that Holly is, this is very similar. She's just a bit longer in the back. There's actually there's a few different styles that are out now that are very similar. But again, this is Smooth Waves by Rene of Paris in Dark Chocolate.